new heights. Now, let's talk about a car that's turning heads for an entirely different reason, the Lucid Motors Air. While many electric vehicles focus on practicality or performance, the Lucid Air is making waves by blending both, and then adding a layer of pure luxury on top. It's a car that's not just about getting from point A to point B, but about enjoying every moment of the journey in style and comfort. Lucid is a California-based startup aiming for the luxury EV crown, and the Air is their flagship sedan. Founded by engineers and designers with deep roots in the automotive and tech industries, Lucid's mission is to push the boundaries of what's possible in electric mobility. The Air is their bold statement to the world, a showcase of innovation, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. The Lucid Air boasts an industry-leading range, up to 832 kilometers on a single charge. That's more than enough to drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco and still have plenty left in the battery. This remarkable range is made possible by Lucid's proprietary battery technology and ultra-efficient motors, setting a new benchmark for electric vehicles everywhere. Inside, it's pure luxury, premium materials, floating displays, a panoramic glass roof, and seats that are both heated and ventilated. Every detail is meticulously crafted, from the soft touch surfaces to the ambient lighting that creates a serene atmosphere. The cabin is spacious and airy, designed to make every drive feel like a first-class experience, whether you're commuting or cruising down the coast. The Grand Touring model delivers 1,050 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. That's supercar territory, yet the ride remains whisper-quiet and composed. The Air's advanced suspension system adapts to the road, offering both comfort and razor-sharp handling, so you can enjoy spirited driving without sacrificing refinement. Lucid's Dream Drive system blends adaptive cruise, lane centering, and collision avoidance into a seamless driver assist suite. With over 30 features, including highway assist and automatic parking, Dream Drive is designed to make every journey safer and less stressful, whether you're navigating city streets or long stretches of highway. Over-the-air updates keep the tech fresh and evolving. Lucid's software engineers are constantly improving features and adding new capabilities, so your car actually gets better over time. No dealership visit required. Ultra-fast charging adds up to 480 kilometers in just 20 minutes, perfect for road trips. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the Lucid Air's charging speed means less waiting and more exploring. The Air sets a new standard for what a luxury EV can be, combining comfort, performance, and sustainability. It's not just about being green, it's about redefining what it means to drive a luxury car in the modern era. Lucid isn't just chasing Tesla, they're redefining the high-end sedan. With its unique design, advanced technology, and uncompromising attention to detail, the Air stands out in a crowded field of luxury EVs. If the Cybertruck is the future of trucks, the Lucid Air is the future of luxury. It's a glimpse into what's possible when innovation meets artistry, and when sustainability is paired with sophistication. Now, let's check out an EV built for adventure, the Revving R1T. If you love the outdoors and crave adventure, the Revving R1T is the electric truck that's redefining what's possible beyond the pavement. Designed for explorers, this truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a companion for those who want to experience nature without compromise. With up to 644 kilometers of range on a single charge, the R1T is built to take you far from the beaten path. Whether you're winding through forest trails, climbing mountain passes, or embarking on multi-day camping trips, this truck is engineered to keep you going. Its robust battery means you can explore remote destinations with confidence, knowing you have the range to get there and back. The R1T's innovative quad-motor all-wheel drive system gives each wheel independent control, delivering unmatched traction and agility. Whether you're rock crawling over boulders, powering through deep mud, or navigating snowy back roads, the R1T adapts instantly to changing terrain. This level of control means you can tackle obstacles that would stop other trucks in their tracks. Unique features like the gear tunnel, a clever storage space running through the truck, and the optional camp kitchen transform the R1T into the ultimate adventure vehicle. Imagine pulling over at a remote campsite and having everything you need for a gourmet meal right at your fingertips. The R1T's thoughtful design means you can bring all your gear, stay organized, and make the most of every journey. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that blends rugged durability with refined comfort. Sustainable materials, like recycled wood and vegan leather, are paired with expansive touchscreens that put navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls at your fingertips. It's a space designed for both adventure and relaxation, whether you're tackling tough trails or cruising down the highway. Worried about charging in the wild? Rivian's adventure network of fast chargers is rolling out in some of the most remote and beautiful locations across the country. These high-speed chargers let you recharge quickly, so you can keep exploring off the grid without missing a beat. It's a game-changer for electric adventurers. Safety is always a priority, and the R1T is packed with advanced tech. Adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and a suite of cameras and sensors help you stay safe on highways and off-road trails alike. Whether you're navigating city traffic or winding through the wilderness, you'll have confidence in every mile. Need to bring your toys along? With an impressive 11,000 pounds of towing capacity, the R1T is ready for boats, trailers, campers, or whatever your next adventure demands. It's a workhorse that doesn't compromise on capability, letting you haul heavy loads with ease. Thanks to instant electric torque, acceleration is smooth and powerful, whether you're merging onto the highway or climbing a steep trail. And with its whisper-quiet ride, you can enjoy the sounds of nature as you travel. No engine noise to drown out the adventure. The Rivian R1T proves that electric vehicles aren't just for city streets, they're for explorers, adventurers, and anyone who wants to experience the wild in a whole new way. It's adventure, electrified, and it's changing the way we think about what's possible with an EV. Now let's dive into the cutting-edge battery technology powering these leaps forward. Solid-state batteries, which promise even greater range, safety, and performance for the next generation of electric vehicles. Solid-state batteries could be the next big leap for EVs. By replacing liquid electrolytes with solid materials, they promise higher energy density, faster charging, and greater safety. Imagine over 1,000 kilometers of range or a full charge in just 10 minutes. Automakers like Toyota and BMW are racing to bring this tech to market. Solid-state batteries are safer and can be made smaller and lighter, opening up new design possibilities. The challenge is scaling up production and cutting costs, but breakthroughs are coming fast. As solid-state tech matures, expect longer ranges, faster charging, and lower prices, potentially ending range anxiety for good. Autonomous driving is one of the hottest topics in EVs today. Most new EVs offer advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise, lane centering, and even hands-free highway driving. Tesla's Autopilot, GM's Super Cruise, and Ford's Blue Cruise are leading the way, using sensors and AI to keep you safe. We're at level 2 or 3 autonomy now. Drivers still need to pay attention, but full self-driving is getting closer. V2X tech lets cars communicate with each other and smart infrastructure, aiming for safer, smoother roads. Regulation and safety are key hurdles, but progress is rapid. The dream of fully autonomous EVs is on the horizon, and the next few years will be pivotal. Charging speed is no longer a deal-breaker for EVs. Ultra-fast chargers now deliver up to 350 kilowatts, adding over 320 kilometers of range in under 15 minutes. Networks like Tesla Supercharger, Electrify America, and Ionity are making road trips practical and convenient. Smart battery management allows rapid charging without harming battery health. Commercial vehicles are benefiting too. Imagine delivery trucks recharging during a lunch break. Wireless charging is on the horizon, promising even more convenience. With ultra-fast charging, EVs are more practical than ever. From radical designs to game-changing tech, the electric revolution is just getting started. What excites you most about the future of EVs? Let us know in the comments.